Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to add text-to-speech to your Canva video. So first, you just need to open your Canva, which you can see on your screen. And here, you just need to create a design. So for example, here we have a video that we're going to use. Now to add a text-to-speech, we're gonna use a third-party app, which is the Voice Maker. We're gonna go to Voice Maker homepage right here, and this is free, so you can use this one. So basically you just need to type right here text to convert it into voice or speech. So for example, we're gonna type this is quick how to, thanks for watching, or thank you for watching, and we have the exclamation point right there. And if you scroll down here, you will find all the available voices that you can use. So for example, we're gonna choose right here a female voice, and then click on the convert to speech.
This is quick how to. Thank you for watching.
And there you go. So once you've done, just click on download the MP3, and you'll find that at the top right of your screen. And here, once you've done, go back to Canva video and go to uploads, and then find the downloaded MP3. So you just need to drag and drop right here, and just wait until it loads on your Canva video. And once you've done, just need to click on that, and here is the result. So just click on play.
This is quick how to. Thank you for watching.
So that's all. That's how you basically add text to speech to your Canva video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.